Hi guys, calling all cat owners. Want to give your feline friend a delicious and healthy treat? We've got you covered with our homemade wet food recipe. Let's go. Here are the ingredients we are going to use today. Let's cook it, shall we? 500 grams of chicken breast, cut it into small pieces so it will easier the blending process. Now cut 25 grams of carrot and cut cube 18 grams of tempeh. In a boiling water, add the chicken, carrot, and tempeh. Avoid adding salt or other ingredients on it. Boil them for 5 minutes. Then drain it well and let it cool for a while. Now, boil the fish for about 3 minutes. Then drain and let it cool. Do not throw away the broth because we're going to use it later. After it cooling down, separate and throw away the bone and head of the fish. Put the meat in the blender. Ground it coarsely or blend it to your cat's favorite texture. Then, put the boiled chicken, carrot, and tempeh in the blender. Add the broth as much as you preferred. And ground it coarsely. Now, put them both in a mixing bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of eggshell as calcium and mix it well. If the texture is a bit dry, you can add a little bit more of water, as you preferred. And it's done. Store the wet cat food in a closed container. Store it in a refrigerator, or you can give it straight to your loved cat. And that's it for today's video. What should we cook next time? Please comment below. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video. Bye.